What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful GLA45 AMG that we have right here in black. Of course, it does look very good with its black wheels, multi-spoke black wheels, and the interior, of course, with the red seat belts, AMG wording right there at the rear. Got this amazing looking rear spoiler and GLA45S badging. Looks really good. I'm very sure this car drives really well as well, and it starts with the exhaust sound absolutely nice. So let's start off with the front. You do have your amazing lights that are designed in such a way. Your DRLs are right there. We'll turn them on shortly to show it to you. But yeah, you got the black housing on the interior part. Looks really good. And for the bottom right here, you got tons of air flow and air intakes happening on this side. Looks really nice as well. Very aggressive looking. Your hand can go through. Very cool. And the center with all the black finishes right here looks really good. Love the chrome grille that are all in these lines right here as well. 360 camera right there. Number plate goes right here. Looks really cool as well. So for the side wheels, let's take a look. Got your amazing multi-spoke front wheel. Continental tires is what you guys are getting. Tire size is right down here. It's 255/35 R21. Multi-spoke wheels, drill disc brakes right there, and silver lining across the whole wheel as well, together with the AMG wording right there at the caliper. So it does look really good. Turbo 4matic wording, because it's an all-wheel drive. It's just 4matic plus is even more better. And you're looking at your side mirrors. Love the matte finish for the housing, and follows the body color as well. You got this whole black finish for the side of the car with no chrome, so it does look really good. The door handles are in chrome, which is what they have maintained from before. Let's open that up. And for the top right here, you get your glass roof. You get the matte finish all over the place. On this side, looks really good, man. So for the door side, let us take a look. Mercedes-Benz started finishes at the door trim. You got this Dynamica finish on the interior. Burmester sound system, looks really good. Compartment storage down there, handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got your opening up of the doors, memory seats on this side, heated seats, red stitching that goes across the whole side. So it does look really good, especially for the seats. You do have this thick red finishing that's happening all over the place. Recaro bucket seats. You got your red seat belts, AMG wording right there. Very nice. AMG wording right here, AMG wording right there on the carpet. Very nice. The seat feels really good. It hugs you really tight. Got your Mercedes-Benz started finish all over there. Air vents, cup holders, wireless charging, Type-C connectivities, place to keep some stuff. You got your dynamic driving modes on this side, volume adjustments, parking, cameras, 2 Type-C connectivities down here. Looks really good. Steering wheel looks fantastic. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are red, and the seat looks really good. Hugs really well and really tight. So let's hop right into the rear. Let us take a look at what we see. So first of all, the rear looks absolutely nice. Feeling of the seats are really good, which we'll get to in a while more. But before that, amazing rear wheels. Tire size 255/35 R21. You got your drill disc brakes even for the rear, not just the front. Red calipers right there. Multi-spoke wheels is what they're using. Silver lining goes across the whole side. AMG wording right on the wheel also as well. You get your Continental tires is what they're using. Sport Contact 6 is what they are using as well. So it's, of course, it's a petrol car. Petrol goes right there. Dynamica finish, compartment storage, Burmester sound system, red stitching. Looks very good. So let's hop right in and let's take a look. Seats look fantastic. Love the hard cover kind of a casing. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seatbelts are in red. I'm not going to take that out. But yeah, you got your glass roof even for this side, and of course for that side as well. So it's a fully wide, finish one. So really good. Yeah, the center down here, air vent adjustments. You have your 2 Type-C connectivities for you to charge some stuff. Compartment storage, please keep some stuff. Looks really good. So let's get right down to the center. This is me sitting comfortably right at the rear, the center, so it looks good. Seat belts are in red once again, red stitching all over the seats. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's open that door up. Let's get right down. Let's take a look at the rear. So you get your amazing wing, which looks super aggressive. Love how this thing looks, man, dude. Absolutely fierce. Absolutely fierce. So GLA45, you got the AMG wording right there at the side. You got the GLA45s wording right here. So I love the lights, how they angled up and become super sharp. You got the chrome finishing right here. So as well, for the bottom, you got your exhaust pipes, 2 on this side, you got 2 on the other side, and your rear diffuser looks as aggressive as it can be. Love the airflow happening, dude. Looks really good. Underneath, exhaust pipes. And what's nice is that you do get your AMG wording right there on the tailpipes. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's open this up. Oh, yes. I think this car has a little bit of... Okay, cool. Now it's coming back to life. So let's open up the boot. So if the boot is open up, you guys can truly admire the space that you guys get with this car. First aid kit on this side. You got your seats for you can recline fully down, and compartment storage. Let's just check and see. Maybe there's a subwoofer down here. Yep, there's a subwoofer right down here as well. Tire repair kit and whatnot. Everything is fully given, and it does look very good indeed. So seats you're able to fold down as well, but GLA45 good. Looks really good. Now let's look at the driver's side of things. You get your light for the door, for the front, left and right, passenger and whatnot. Started Mercedes-Benz design like finish for the door. Looks good. You got your memory seats, 3. You got your heated seats, window adjustments, side mirror adjustments. You do get your handle to open up the door, lock, unlock, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, compartment storage down here. You get your Burmester sound system, AMG side plate, and your AMG wording on the carpet. Sport pedals together with the accelerator pedals. I mean, the brake and accelerator is what I mean. Lighting adjustments on this side, gear, wiper. Seat looks fantastic. So let's hop right in and take a look at what we are looking at. So yeah, you got your downshift on this side, upshift on this side. You do have your gear, drive, reverse and whatnot. Your signal indicator. This is fantastic looking piece of art. It's not for you to turn around left or right, but it's more like a button for you to press and choose. But this, you can turn around left and right. This one right here. So this controls your driving mode, and lighting is on this side. So very cool looking car. The seat grips really well. Of course, you still can adjust it on this side and this side through the settings, but yeah, this feels really good. Glass roof, frameless mirrors. You can open up the shade if you wish to for the top, and yep, you do get your lightings right here and there. So very cool. So let's turn on the front lights and all over as well. So check that out. Amazing and amazing indeed for the front. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front before we get right to it. Boom, here we go. Nice. So let's see the DRLs, guys. So these ones and these two, they maintain in such a way. Multi-beam LED is what they're using, and it does look very much aggressive. Can you see that? Absolutely stunning. So let's hop right into the rear and check out what's happening right at the back. So you do get your amazing lights shaped in such a way to make it look as sporty as it can get. Now this is a black unit, so amazing looking piece of art. So let's now turn on the indicators to show you guys. So turn indicators are located right here at the side mirrors, as you can see, and for the top DRLs, that's what shows up, and the 2 was what was there earlier. But I believe right now the battery has a little bit died down. Let's see if I can bring it back to life a little bit. Cool. Let's see if I can bring it back to life. Okay, unfortunately it's gone fully down, but those are where your DRLs actually go to, and your turn indicators are right there as well. So for the rear, you do have them popping up right down here. Fantastic looking car, guys, and it does look very good indeed. So yeah, let's now turn off signal. Cool. And then let's move this off. So that is it, guys, for today. If you like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Hapsing, where you can locate that car right there and so many more other gorgeous cars lying all over the place, guys. Super huge and super nice place for you guys to be at. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.